In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into Phantom Wallet. So what you need to do for this is the following. Let's say you want to purchase crypto with that money, then you're going to select that crypto that you want to buy, or you're just going to the home screen and click on buy from here. And then you're going to select the crypto. So let's say that you want to buy Solana, then we're going to select Solana. And now we need to enter the amount of Solana that we want to purchase. So you need to enter a valid amount. So let's say we're going to buy $15 and the minimum is $5. So let's say you fill this in, then you will see an option just down below to buy this crypto. So once we click on this, we can see all of the available options at this moment, and that is credit and debit card. You can also select Binance P2P trading, Apple Pay, Neteller, Revolut Pay, Skrill, or a local bank transfer. And these are actually the ways to deposit money into your Phantom Wallet account. There's no option to just top up some cash balance or something like that. No, there's only the option to buy crypto directly with your money, with your cash. And this way you will have your money into Phantom Wallet, but it's in crypto or in an asset. So this is how you do it. Right now you just need to select a method. So let's say Apple Pay. When you're on a Google or Android device, you will have Google Pay as well. So just go ahead and select that. And then you will get a provider based on your region. So let's say I'm going with Revolut in here. Then I'm going to click on buy. And now this will redirect me to Revolut. And there I need to go through the process and complete the flow. And once I do that, I will in the end buy my crypto and deposit the money into the Phantom Wallet. So this is how I do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.